Okay, let's be real, chat. That is actually a very annoying thing to happen. Um, Again, my account balance is at $175. The account was blown today. Um, how do I feel? Obviously, I took that risk of um kind of full porting the account. Kind of, not really, but with the stop loss and TP situation on Iron Beam, you know, I knew what I was doing when I did that. Does it suck to know that you were stopped out by like a pip, basically? And then, yeah, it sucks. But honestly, I'm not even gonna lie to you. I'm gonna be sending maybe like $2,000, $2,500 into this. And I know that's like kind of crazy because it's like you just blown your account $500 and you're like, oh damn, it's 8 o'clock. And then you're like, oh, I'm gonna send more money in, like way more money than before. Why? I literally stepped outside. I was in the cool air. I was just thinking about the situation. I stared off for like a silent moment and I don't feel anything. I don't want to say that. That's not true. I don't feel like like I don't feel like I just, oh my God, like what's wrong with me? Like all of those things that used to plague me before, I don't feel like that anymore because I have so much confidence in myself. I have so much belief in myself. I know what I did today, but at the same time, before it did that, it hit TP. It hit TP. If I was here and I was watching the trade, I would have been able to take away my stop limit and get that $180, like, cause like before it stopped me out, it was 737. It got hit with $180. The account was at $917. That's what the account was until it stopped me out. And now it's at 100. But it was like, wow. Hold on, let me just confirm that that's real. Yeah, 180. Basically, yeah, 180. So 737. What did I say? 180. I don't know. What, $917. So I would have been close to my $1,000 goal of like reaching that. Oh, and if this continues going down, honestly, I'm happy either way because I'm making money in the back end. So I think that's why I'm just not upset like compared to before because my eggs aren't in one basket. I'm still investing in the S&P. I'm purchasing ETFs that are cheaper than ever before that track the S&P. SCHD and SCHG. Those are two ETFs by Schwab's. One tracks the S&P 5, one tracks Dow Jones, US 30, and I believe like other stuff. Like it's a dividend one, and then the other one tracks the S&P 500. Right now, they're both in that 20 to no, like 20 to $27 range for one. So like I know the one that's the S&P that tracks the S&P, it's like at like $22 right now, and the other one that tracks the US 31 is at like 26, $27. Yo, buy into those, bro. Buy into those. Right now, I used to be putting all my money in index funds. Now that the stock market crash or whatever, bro, I'm buying every paycheck, sending them. I have like 36 shares in that S&P 500 one, because it's $22 right now, and it's been going lower. At first it was like 25, now it's been going lower and lower and lower, and I've just been buying and buying and buying. But anyway, my account is at $175, and I'm gonna be sending in $2,500. I am, which is crazy. I've only saved up 4,000, and the goal was to save up to 10,000 so that I can half it and have 5,000 here and then 5,000 to the side. But today I literally was like, I'm gonna send 2,500. Initially it was 1,000, but I was like, let me send 2,500. 2,500 plus what we have here. Let's just say 2,500 plus 175. So that's gonna be 2,600 approximately. And then hold on. Hold on. Hold on. I'm just doing the calculations right now. Hold on. Oh, hold on. Okay, 2,500 divided by 125. So that's 20 trades. Okay. If like when I send in the $2,500, bro, and I'm really am about to do it. Like, hold on. Like, where's my phone? Just so that wait, but I'm trying to think how is this stuff connected? Like, do they take it from my I don't know. I wanted to show you guys, but hold on. I'm gonna have to pause it real quick. Okay, I just figured out how I'm gonna be able to deposit the money. Where's my phone? So that y'all can see it. I'm really about to do it though. Oh, here's it. Here you go. I'm really about to do it too. Oh damn. Everybody calling me. I'm really about to do it too. Hold on. Let me do this. I'm going into my savings account. Like y'all really about to see me. I'm about to deposit 2,500 into this account. And guess what? If I lose it all, it's fucking worth it. I am so tired of being such a fucking pussy in an environment that can grow your money more than times before. I am so tired of being afraid of losing. I am so tired of it because I'm the one that's holding myself back. I had to lose that $500 to realize that I was about to say money isn't real, but to realize that like it's just money though. Like I have a job, finances is going up. Like I'm making money, but I'm afraid of losing it. That's crazy. No, not today. Not today, bro. From my trading account, my trading savings account, yep, $2,500. Yup. From trading to my bank account. Yup. 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 Hold on. I'm gonna show y'all. Yup, I did it. Transfer $2,500. Yup. It's about to go into my bank account. We gonna send that junk. We gonna run it up. We gonna run it up. Yup. This is me. Oh. My makeup, my beauty, my makeup. Wait, damn, it's out of focus. All right, here we go. Yep, my trading account. Yep, it's okay, babe. It's okay. I'm looking at my trading account. It's at 1,600 now. I'm like, damn. I'm okay with that. I'm happy, bro. I'm happy. Like, I needed this. That's crazy. Like, to see my reaction, to see how I would feel, and it's like, I just want to go again because now I understand a little bit more about myself, and I still believe in myself. And I understand that I over risked today. I understand that. I don't want to say I don't care, but it's also like, so what? That's horrible. But in the sense of like, what did I really lose? And versus what did I learn? Like, oh, I really have to go to work. But like this, I am genuinely happy. Because I know that I'm gonna be better. I'm gonna be better. This April, let's put it down. Like how much did we lose today? Oh my gosh, so much. Let's put it down in my P&L calendar. Wednesday, we lost $500. I don't care. Not to say that it's not a good thing. And I'm gonna put in my journal, over leveraged, all caps, uh, got TP got hit, but then stop loss, sell limit got hit because I wasn't there to take it off. Because I had to go deal with cars and shit and moving cars. But it's at the same time I didn't want to be at the screen because I thought I was just gonna lose, so I didn't want to be here to see it happen. But then I did like today wake up and being like, oh, I gotta move it, because I didn't know my brother was gonna be here to move it. I thought he would just be like gone or something like that. And I was trying to start them up yesterday last night, but they didn't they didn't turn on. So I was just like, all right, I gotta do this morning. Yeah, but it's okay, man. I'm sick to my stomach. Not really. I'm not even nervous. Like my heart is not even, like, initially it was pounding, but then I kind of got over it. Because I guess I wasn't there to watch price action. But then again, if it's like if I was there, I would be able to get myself out of the trade. But we ain't even gonna talk about that. And I think that's exactly why I just, took out 2,500, because it was like if I was here and if I was like confident in myself to just stay for what, like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 more minutes, um, I would have been, because like literally the candle that hit TP after that, that's the thing that liquidated me. That's crazy. Like, and so it was like if I was just here, the account would have been at $900. I probably would have been chilling. I probably would have been happy. But I'm happy now because like I got the skill. Like I've been back testing like crazy. Well, I don't say like crazy, but I've been back testing more. And yo, sometimes it be like feeling like a game. Like it just be like TP, yeah, okay, next. Look at it. Boop, 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 it's like I'll be like not even really focused on what I'm doing, still back testing, and still TP getting hit. And because it's like it's kind of ingrained at you. Like, all right, like I be saying this, but like I really have to go to work, but I don't care. I have to say this. Um, I realized that I am about to be completing 2 years. So this whole time I thought I was a freshman about to turn into a sophomore. No, I'm a sophomore about to turn into a junior. Like I'm really about to become like a third year. And it's like the okay, so I've sent in $500 in my like freshman year or whatever, and I blew that. Sent another fresh $500, I blew that. Um, I sent 1,000 today. I just blew all the money. I've been trading that $1,000 account. So I had $1,000. One actually funny enough, that is actually so funny. So I had $1,000 and I was trading it, but I wasn't really that good at that time, but I was still trading it, I think. And then one day I was trading it, just trying to learn the stop loss TP stuff. And I think the trade I took, I lost on. But then the sell limit, because I didn't know that you had to take it off, the sell limit was still there. So then a couple of hours later, I get an email from Iron Beam talking about, oh, we had to liquidate your account. And it was $400 gone. Funny enough, today is the exact same situation that happened to me. Yo, I'm meant to be great. I know I'm gonna be great. Like, I'm happy. I'm happy to be here. Yo, I'm so excited. Yo, so I don't know when the money comes into my account, and I'm gonna take a break. Obviously, I'm gonna take a break from the charts. And the day, um, So there's gonna be no more trades this week. Maybe. Wait, if they can, can I still trade with $100? I don't know. I don't know, but I don't think I'm gonna trade for the rest of this week. I'm gonna get them when the money gets into my bank account. I'm gonna send it off to Iron Beam so they can put it into this account. That's gonna take maybe like 3 or 5 days. So today is Wednesday. So Thursday, Friday. I feel like Thursday and Friday is when it's gonna hit my bank account, and then perhaps sometime next week, that's when I'll be able to trade. So next week will most likely be the next time you're gonna see me, um, and then we'll be trading with a $2,500 account. As far as risk management goes, um, like let me see. Divide by no, that's like a little too crazy. Should we do yeah, I like that. I don't mind that. Like $125. Man, hold on. Money is real, but I'm not gonna I'm tired of it controlling me, yo. I'm tired of it controlling me, bro. 10% of a $2,500 account. That's kind of steep. No cat. I don't even care, to be honest. It's not bad. That's pretty bad. Like I care, but it's more so like I gotta see the trade. Like if I have a $25, $100 account, risking $200 per trade is crazy. So I'll definitely want to stick to the wait, I ain't doing that, bro. I'm just not doing that, bro. I'm just not doing that. I have a higher risk tolerance than I thought that I did because I like seeing certain numbers. And so if I have a $2,500 account, like, that spectrum, I'm gonna move it up just slightly. So I said no more than $80 per trade. I can slide that up a good amount now. So I I don't want to say no more than 250. I think 250 on a trade is crazy, especially with the account that we have. Like I don't even hold on, minus 250. Okay, the first initial 250 hit, that's wild. But I think it's gonna be like $80 to like 150, 190 type shit. Like I don't really want to do the 200 per trade just yet. Um yeah, but listen, I need to take risks. I need to lose money. Like I've been saying this. Fun, success, failure. I need all of this to get to where I know I'm going to be. I will become a consistently profitable trader. I will have my own music studio. I will achieve time freedom. And these are the things that I need to go to or go through in order for me to reach it. Because I believe in myself. I believe in my abilities. And I know that I will be great. I will be successful. We're in the future, we're going to look back at this moment and be like, this was one of those pivotal moments. This is where we actually put our foot to the fucking ground and we said, I'm ready. Let's go. Let's go. It's not revenge trading. It's not revenge trading. It's the markets is just holding money for me, right? And I just need to go and grab it. That's all it is. I have the skills. I have the skills. I have the ability. I will be okay. And at the end of the day, yes, I will be okay. Because nobody got hurt. Nobody got injured. There's no pain. Well, yeah, like honestly, I'm not bleeding. I didn't have to kill somebody to get money like this or something like that. Like if I made a $500 today, I didn't have to kill anybody. I didn't have to do anything crazy. I didn't do anything illegal to lose money like this. Just the same way as I could have made money like this today. And it will always be here. And but I will not. So why not take advantage? People are so afraid. 1 to 2%. Yeah, 1 to 2% makes sense when you have a six-figure account, when you have a high five-figure account. I'm not knocking 1 to 2%. 1 to 2% is amazing. Like I said, if you have a $50,000 account, even if you have a $25,000 account, 1 to 2% there, that's good. You're eating. Now just compound it. But if you're on $1,000, I was on $600, you're on, you know what I mean? It's just like 1 to 2%. Like, what the fuck are you talking about? And here's the thing, they're like, well, it's not about the money, it's about the skill. 100%. But how are you going to make the money? How are you going to make the money so that you can risk 1 to 2% and it becomes, and that's 200 or $2,000? How are you going to do that? Most people that have that money that are telling you 1 to 2%, they've already made their money somewhere else and now they're putting it into day trading so they can run it up more. Or they're doing the prop firm route, which I'm not knocking on anyone. Yeah, do the prop firm route, but the prop firm route is not freedom, bro. I'm chasing freedom. I'm not chasing a job, bro. Like what? Bro, like I'm like how am I not fired from my job? Like I'm literally always late. This is but like this is so important for me that I don't really care. It's like people are talking about and I am not knocking that, but it's like on $1,000 account, on a $2,500 account, it's like that's little money. That's play money, bro. That's play money. Literally play money. And I can do whatever I want. And that's the thing that people need to remember is that trading is not like school. There is not one way to pass the test, to be successful, to get that high GPA. Like people are weird and so close-minded. And like they think that you have to risk a certain amount in order to be successful. Maybe that's what y'all doing, but not me. I'm risking 5-10%. I'm risking 5-10%. I got to because I'm not gonna be satisfied if I don't do anything else. If I don't do otherwise. So so yeah. Okay, I'm really about to end it here, but just believe I am not over. I'm far from over. I'm just getting fucking started, bro. Where the energy come from, bro? I don't even know, but it's something within me that's just telling me like, yes. Yes. Let's go. Yes, you lost today. Yes, you lost $565 or whatever. Yes, you blew the account, but let's fucking go. I love your reaction. I love how you reacted to it. Some people would have cried when they came back. Some people would have felt sad. Some people would have self-deprecated themselves down to the fucking ground. But you said no. You said let's fucking go. That's what you said. Let's go.